The 2026 Volkswagen Corrado is imagined as a bold revival of one of Volkswagen's most iconic and enthusiast-loved nameplates, blending classic sporty character with modern technology and contemporary design. Originally produced in the late 1980s and early 1990s, the Corrado earned a reputation for sharp handling, distinctive styling, and an engaging driving experience that set it apart from more mainstream hatchbacks of its era. A modern interpretation for 2026 would aim to capture that same spirit while adapting to today's automotive landscape, where efficiency, connectivity, and advanced safety play just as important a role as performance. Visually, the 2026 Corrado is expected to adopt a sleek, low-slung coupe profile that clearly differentiates it from Volkswagen's SUV-heavy lineup. A long hood, wide stance, and sloping roofline would give it an athletic presence, while modern LED lighting and clean, sculpted body lines would reflect Volkswagen's latest design language. Subtle nods to the original Corrado, such as a pronounced rear hatch or a sporty, minimalist front fascia, could help connect the new model to its heritage without feeling retro or outdated. The overall design would likely focus on aerodynamic efficiency as well as visual impact, reinforcing its performance-oriented identity. Inside, the cabin of a 2026 Corrado would be expected to balance driver-focused ergonomics with modern digital convenience. A fully digital instrument cluster, a large central infotainment screen, and intuitive controls would dominate the dashboard, offering seamless smartphone integration, navigation, and connected services. High-quality materials, supportive sport seats, and customizable ambient lighting could elevate the interior experience, making it feel premium without losing its sporty edge. Despite its coupe proportions, practical touches such as foldable rear seats and a usable cargo area would help maintain everyday usability, staying true to the Corrado's original hatchback-inspired practicality. In terms of performance, the 2026 Corrado is widely imagined as embracing electrification in some form, aligning with Volkswagen's broader shift toward more sustainable mobility. Speculation often points to advanced hybrid or fully electric powertrains that deliver strong acceleration while keeping emissions low. A performance-focused variant could offer instant torque, sharp throttle response, and precise handling, ensuring the car lives up to the Corrado name. Engineers would likely prioritize balance and driving dynamics, using lightweight materials, a low center of gravity, and advanced suspension tuning to create an engaging driving experience rather than relying solely on raw power. Technology and safety would also play a central role in the modern Corrado's appeal. Advanced driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and parking aids would be expected as standard or optional features. These systems would enhance everyday driving confidence while still allowing enthusiasts to enjoy a more involved driving experience when conditions allow. Over-the-air updates and software-based features could further future-proof the vehicle, keeping it relevant throughout its life cycle. Ultimately, the 2026 Volkswagen Corrado represents the idea of Volkswagen reconnecting with its sporty heritage in a modern, forward-looking way. While its existence remains speculative, the concept resonates strongly with enthusiasts who value compact performance cars that offer character, practicality, and driving enjoyment. A revived Corrado would not only pay tribute to a beloved classic, but also provide a fresh alternative in a market increasingly dominated by crossovers and SUVs, reminding drivers that fun, driver-focused cars still have a place in the modern automotive world.